In this video, I'd like to show you the I-cord border I use in some of my knitting patterns, and I call it the KSK SKS method. So it's pretty simple. So on the right side, it's KSK, so that means knit, yarn to the front, slip, yarn to the back, knit. So that's the KSK. It's done over 3 stitches, and then I'm going to knit to the other side of the work, and then it's the same on the other side. It's K, knit, slip, knit. So on the wrong side, it's SKS, which is slip. You put the yarn to the back, knit, and then yarn to the front, slip. And we're slipping purlwise. So knit to the other side of the work, and then bring the yarn forward for slip. So slip, knit, bring the yarn forward, slip, and then I do a maneuver where I put the yarn around the end as if to come back to the right side to start knitting. So on this side, knit, KSK, knit, yarn to the front, slip, yarn to the back, knit. And you just get into quite a nice rhythm with it after a few rows. So knit, yarn forward, slip, yarn back, knit. And then over this on the wrong side again, the yarn's already at the back, so just keep the yarn at the back for your slip, and then put it around to the front for knit. So S, K, yarn to the back, slip, and then keep going to your other border, your last 3 stitches. Gets a bit more yarn. And then so yarn to the back, slip, knit, and slip, and so on. So that's how you make a really nice I-cord border for your project.